central Crockett County in northwestern Tennessee, southeastern Dyer County in northwestern Tennessee, southwestern Gibson County in northwestern Tennessee, northeastern Lauderdale County in southwestern Tennessee, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Chestnut Bluff, or near Dyersburg, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dyersburg, Alamo, Halls, Chestnut Bluff, Bradley Town, Maury City, Friendship, Gates, Bishop, Hawkinsville, Quincy, Gibson Wells, Fowles, Bonnicard, Central, Rehoboth, Brazil, Maury Junction, South Fork, and Poplar Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Crockett, Dyer, Gibson, and Lauderdale. The current time is 3:42 p.m. Central Daylight.